action. Feel like the camera man. Guys, we are talking about some Bruce Lee. We are talking about Chuck Norris. If you don't know who Chuck Norris is, Somizi Mhlongo, guys. He is being replaced on Idols, and guess who might be the potential replacer? Watch the rest of the video to find out. Let's go. Ngiyanamukela emqubeni yami bomntaba kadad bomntaba kagogo bomntaba ka-auntie bomntaba kasisi. I am Sims and it's at The Right Sims on Instagram, so please follow your sister. Happy spring, guys. It's September. Nina inama Thurs, Nina inama flat stomach, Nina nuts onke siyoqebeza and re tloba bantle jwang, guys. While we are bantle, let's talk about Somizi Mhlongo, because we all know the Idols live shows are going to start soon, and unfortunately for Bruce Lee, he will no longer be a part of the show, because we all know what had happened between him and his baby boy. Literally, he was a baby boy. Somizi, it wasn't a Ben 10, it was a Ben 2.5. Am I lying? I'm not. Anyway, guys, yes, so they're going through a split right now. They're going to divorce, but then there was an audio that was leaked. I also did a video on that, so you can go watch that. There was an audio that was leaked between Umhali and Legend Manuel, when Umhali was pouring out his heart, telling Legend how he's in an abusive relationship, how that relationship is really like, wait again, drama after drama after drama. So yeah, after that transpired, Somizi shied away from the public, and oh no, he is still cooking and posting on Instagram, don't get that wrong, but I'm saying from his like jobs. Uile wathatha isikhathi from Metro FM, and now he is being replaced on Idols. So according to Sunday World, it is alleged that, not alleged, it's Sunday World, it's not me, it's Sunday World that said Gucci, he is getting replaced by, they're looking at potentially Bizu Mama, when you're going to that girl from Fosloras, Lady 2. So they're looking at Lady 2, and the producers also have their eye on Ukeli Khumalo. Yeah, Ukeli I approve, because Ukeli can sing from her. You can say whatever you want about Kelly, but Kelly's voice you cannot deny. So Ukeli would make a perfect Idols judge. Lady 2, and as much as we only know her from now, I know Lady 2 from way back when. She's from my hood, Fosloras representing. Lady 2 is DJ Zandi's sister. If you don't know DJ Zandi, he's the best hip-hop DJ, one of the best hip-hop DJs. So that's his sister, and she's been in this game, like she's been in this game. You know what they say about success, overnight success is not overnight, and this is exactly story Saga Lady 2. She's been working her ass off, and we are only late. She's never slept on herself. We've been sleeping on her, and she's blowing up everywhere. It's not that she's been putting in the work. So her as an Idols judge, she's going to put that I think she can put the fun element, but man, we need someone on a weight. So I feel like Kelly Khumalo would work better, only because Unati is the sweet balance, Randall is the no. So I feel like Kelly Khumalo would have a very powerful perspective on the show. I cannot wait for the live shows to see. Oh, but Lady 2 already, she's going to come as a guest judge this week. So she will be on the show as a guest judge. But for me, I'm saying as a permanent member, or right now, I'm a guest, until we see who actually fits. Because Somizi, let's not lie, we can say whatever we want to say about Somizi, but Somizi is a powerhouse. He was a big personality on Idols, and I feel like a lot of people were tuning into Idols because of Osomji, all the whoosham. The commentary was, Somizi's commentary is everything. Like Somizi is like your brother, your sister, Umalume wako, like he's everything. So that's why we tuned into Idol, for that uniteration, because he was saying the words that we want to say, but we don't know if we can say them because it's Idols. But Somizi was that, and unfortunately, sometimes when your public image is also tainted by your private life, things like this happen, you know. So it's very hard to be a public figure because your wallet, your bag really depends on your public persona. And if it starts looking dodgy, people don't trust you anymore. And this is what we are seeing with Somizi. But Somizi seems to be carrying on with his life, living the best, doing the most. I just wanted to talk about this also, guys. But I mean, nerves, because a lot of people are getting arrested when they start speaking about Jay-Z Zuma, So if you don't know who I'm talking about, was PTPT Evaluator. At her handle is at African Soil. First of all, that was the biggest shocker. That account is being run by a female, a lady, because it's not like that is one of the most political and a very but it's fine. Yeah, but that was a very powerful tweet like that. Like every topic on Zuma, there was a Zuma person through and through and through. And then now we found out she got arrested. The whole Twitter sphere went ablaze when the story came out. PTPT is a female person, because they're like, who is this lady supporting Zuma this much? We really want to know her. And her account went from 60,000 followers. Since she's been arrested, guys, she's got 65,000 followers currently and counting. So I'm thinking by the end of this week, she's going to have 100,000 followers. She was at court yesterday, and trust and believe, I'm a camera bewala payana, wanting to understand who is this a person, and boy were we in for a shock of our lives. So just like the other people that were social media influencers arrested for inciting violence, now we no longer know what is inciting violence and what is not inciting violence, because a lot of people are saying Ramaphosa must fall because under his state we are in a dictatorship. We are living in times where it used to be apartheid, apparently, allegedly. You remember when you couldn't say this and couldn't say that, but does that not infringe on our freedom of speech? That's where my problem lies, Naguti. Any element of anything. I wanted to do this video a while ago, but because of freedom of speech, and then it's easily misinterpreted into inciting violence. Guys, so be careful what you tweet. Yeah, guys, let's also talk about this in the comment sections down below. Were you surprised Duguti's PTPT Evaluator is a lady, and what did you think about the court proceedings? Because I'm just out here like shook, child. Shook. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.